the patient in our article had difficulty swallowing. So I think it's worth looking at the way that swallowing works real quick. So this is your pharynx, and it goes down to your esophagus, which is further down here. But let's look inside real quick. You can see this is the inside of the pharynx. Back here, a little red part right there, it's kind of hard to see. The esophagus. And if you notice, if the larynx itself elevates, it kind of will open the esophagus back there and allow things to pass more easily. So part of swallowing, if you notice, when you voluntarily swallow, your pharynx elevates. Your larynx, not pharynx. So things that work to do that are the suprahyoid muscles, which have nerve supplies that I will show you here in a second. But before I move on to that, let me look at these guys, which are the pharyngeal constrictor muscles. So you have a lower, middle, and an upper, and these guys are all innervated by the vagus nerve. So there's the vagus nerve, and zoom in a little bit, get pharyngeal branch of the vagus nerve. Right, and these aid in the rhythmic things that go on in your esophagus and pharynx that help move the balls of food down your throat.